I'm Lori Radin, and if your family is anything like mine, you know the ups and downs of parenting. Some days your family brings you great joy like nothing else in this world. You feel in control of everything, your kids are on their best behavior, the house is clean, and you think, this parenting thing's pretty easy. But then there's days when it feels so hard, and all that flows from you is frustration and sadness. You feel like a terrible parent, and you wonder if anything you're doing is making an impact on your kids. You know that deep down inside that there has to be a better way, and you know that your family has so much more potential. As parents, I think we've all felt this way before. If you're like me, you turn to books, seminars, maybe advice from friends and family. Some of the ideas work and you have lasting results, but many times they don't. And just when you feel like you have the hang of parenting, what happens? Your kids get older and the whole game changes again. Or maybe the latest parenting book comes out and you wonder, have I been doing it all wrong? It feels like a constant battle to stay ahead of the game. The good news is it doesn't have to feel so overwhelming. If anything of what I've said resonates with you, you are the reason that we've created the Quick Family Makeover Program. This is a 21-day program that's designed to help you find a few areas and apply a few different ideas to make immediate changes in your family. Parenting can be one of the most rewarding and joy-filled pursuits if we can just make a few small adjustments and just get a new perspective. In just 10 minutes a day, you can gain this awareness and start taking the action steps that you need to get your family back on track and feeling good about the direction that you're heading. It all starts with you taking a leap of faith and registering for this program. I promise you it's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to learn a lot, and you're probably going to find that you're not alone in what you're going through. I look forward to partnering with you on this journey and learning more about you and your family.